Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Denon receiver blinking red light, protection mode reset and troubleshoot. Fix 1. Perform a power reset. Turn off the receiver, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet, wait 5 minutes, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, plug the receiver back in and turn it on. Fix 2. Check for overheating. Make sure there is at least 6 inches 15 centimeter of space above the receiver. Remove any devices stacked on top. Clean dust from the ventilation openings. Avoid using the receiver inside a closed cabinet without airflow. Fix 3. Disconnect all speakers. Turn off and unplug the receiver. Disconnect every speaker wire from the back. Turn the receiver back on. If the red light stops blinking, one of the speakers or cable is causing the issue. Fix 4. Inspect speaker wires. Loose copper strands touching another terminal, damaged or pinched wires, incorrect speaker connections, short circuits between positive and negative terminals. Fix 5. Reconnect speakers one by one. Connect only the front left and right speakers first. Test the receiver. Add one speaker at a time until the problem returns. The last speaker or cable connected is likely the cause. Fix 6. Reset the receiver. A software glitch can occasionally trigger protection mode. Perform the microprocessor reset procedure for your specific Denon model. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact button combination. Fix 7. Check the power source. Plug the receiver directly into a wall outlet. Avoid overloaded power strips. Check for voltage fluctuations or surge protector problems. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.